cut all the peppers down? I'll take the whole branch, you said.
Yeah, I am.
And we're making hot sauce out of these. Oh, I thought you're not supposed to touch them.
Oh, they're spicy.
This is the picking of the peppers, ready to make hot sauce with them. And they're hot. That's why
A little longer than
that's why she's wearing gloves here and goggles. Well, we'll get this in the thing in the processor. We're going to use that new NutriBullet. I guess that's what they call it. We got a brand new one there just to make these peppers. And we'll make hot sauce out of these, and we'll get back to you what it looks like when it's all done. We're going to ferment it. A couple cloves of fresh garlic, and then some of the other peppers off the plant out there. She might use a couple, one from the fridge here. And then in goes our hot peppers. Are they all going to fit at once?
Oh, they're all going in there. 2.5 ounces.
Now, 2.5 ounces of our hot peppers. So we filled it with some salt water that was already in the bottle. And we're just going to grind that hot pepper up here. This is one of those videos that you wish you were never making, but sure it's on plate and turned in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, we're going to grind this up and we'll get back to you once it's all ground up. Back thing there, we got to rinse stuff out.
I want to get a lick of this just to see what it tastes
I did
like.
already, so
And you just
I put a little on my finger. I'm going to touch my tongue. And my mouth is on fire.
That is hot.
Scoville units, I couldn't tell you, but I don't like stuff this hot. My mouth is really, she's burning me now really bad, so I gotta get a glass of milk or something. You guys out there that can eat that hot stuff, God bless you. But this is gonna be some hot sauce for chicken wings. We're gonna ferment it there in the jar for about 13 days. We'll leave the cap on loosely because she'll build up pressure. And then we'll add vinegar to it and some salt, some more sugar, salts, or whatever goes in there. Oh, but boy, she's burning! All the hot peppers we picked from the garden, from the garage, and they're hot. They are hotter than hell. We made a hot sauce with them. And we must have screwed something up because we opened her up to continue the process. And that's what we got. Total fail. It's got a mole on there. So the only proper thing to do with it, and this was a hot sauce beyond hot. And I'm telling you, she was smoking hot. Is we're going to take that and right down the sink with it because it's no longer any good. She no go. No good. Total fail. But this was hotter than you can. She started a fire with it. It was that hot. So. No go. And to be on the safe side, since I saw that mole on there, we'll I use a little bleach in the sink here. Why wouldn't I?